Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is acellular. 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 Acellular is an adjective used to describe something that lacks cells, which are the basic structural and functional units of living organisms. It denotes the absence of cellular structure or organization. Here are some examples. Example number 1. Viruses are acellular entities, as they lack cellular structure and cannot independently reproduce. Why acellular is used in example number 1. Acellular is used to describe viruses, which are non-cellular entities lacking cellular structure. Example number 2. Acellular components play a crucial role in the extracellular matrix of tissues. Why acellular is used in example number 2. Acellular refer to non-cellular elements that are important in the extracellular matrix. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.